We had the pool, and we had the concrete slab around the pool, and it had sunk down, and we have a lot of children coming over here to swim. When they come up from the ladder to go to the diving board, they would trip because concrete sank a good 3.5, 4 inches, and we had to have it raised. And I said, Lowcountry Basement, they was the one to do it. The salesperson was a nice guy, very professional. He came out and drew his map, did all the measurements. I was pretty impressed. The process was incredible, and he explained that usually they can raise a concrete driveway by just injecting the foam, but because the pool had sides in it, they couldn't just eject it, it would push the sides in, so they would have to jack it up and then fill in that void with the foam. I thought that was very interesting. The results was better than we imagined. You know, my wife is smiling, and that's what it's all about, right? I would recommend Lowcountry Basement to anybody that needs any concrete repair work done. As a matter of fact, I hadn't even thought about it, but when the cement trucks came out to pour the concrete for this pool about 25 years ago, they cracked the driveway. And these guys did so good here, I think I'm gonna call them back to raise that part of the driveway that's cracked.